So we start out today's video with this hair install, beautiful platinum pixie. Color is absolutely beautiful. Such a cute makeover. And then we move right into the next one. This one is also going to feature a hair install. So she does a pixie cut here, and it looks very, very natural. Got the long sideburns going there. Followed by hairstyle number 3. So this one also features a hair install. I like the color mix that she did here. And then we move right into a classic all black pixie with the curls. Definitely giving me retro vibes. Followed by this beautiful peach pixie. Now, I feel like this color would look so pretty for like the spring and summer season. Definitely something different. Here we have another hair install. So there's a lot of hair installs for these pixies within today's video. If you've been thinking that you want to try out the look, definitely call your stylist. You can get some hair added. Do a nice little quick weave to get some of these cuts. Here we have another all black pixie. Lots of curls mixed in here. Oh, super cute style. I love how she has the hoop earrings. Followed up by another pixie. This one features a gorgeous blonde color. Beautiful. And then we move into a bob. Now this is what I like to call a micro style bob. She's got the slight bangs going there to kind of frame out her cheekbones on the sides. But she is definitely keeping it short, doing a quick little trim. Super cute style. I like how volumized this cut is as well. Trust the process, all I have to say. So the stylist does a cut refresh here. I like the color mix within this pixie cut. Oh, wow, she's got such a thick head of hair. So she can actually wear this cut both ways, naturally curly or straight. I love the way that this came out. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.